Guys, starting off our day right now. We're headed to the hospital real quick, and then about to do some errands after. Still pretty tired, feeling a little bit better, kind of sick still, but not really. How you feeling?
Hungry.
She's hungry. I'm hungry too. We just woke up, but yeah, let's get our day started.
Hey guys, just left the hospital. We're going to Bodine.
For a little late lunch. We had no breakfast. Hungry. About to get the same thing as last time, but we'll show it to you guys a little bit better because last time we were too hungry, so we were basically shaking.
I don't know, I'm kind of at that point.
Yeah, so we're just gonna get the same thing. Red Bull of clam chowder and some toasted sandwich. Stay tuned for that. Christmas, just kidding. We just got food. And this is what we have. We're just gonna sit in the car and eat for now because we're starving. About to pass out. Can't see. Can you see?
No,
can't see right now. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick what it looks like. So that's the bread bowl. That's the bread bowl for the clam chowder. Mikkel's gonna do her magic and pour it in. Oh yeah. Show my sandwich.
Sam?
Mm-hmm. And this is my sandwich. It's pretty good last time, so I'm just gonna get it again. But clam chowder is to die for.
It's hella good.
Yep. So we're gonna eat right now. Probably head somewhere afterwards and then head home. Check in with you guys soon.
So we're at Dollar Tree and we're pulling up and there's a random pineapple. Like, what the hell? Okay, sure. Pineapple? Why is there a random pineapple, huh babe? Isn't that funny?
What's up guys, back at home. Just got a few things from Dollar Tree. This is a little drink, Gatorade, and some yeah, a little body wash and some little car scrubs, because for some reason I spilled like this garlic sauce in the car and now the whole car stinks, so I'm just gonna attempt to wash it. Haven't washed the car in a while, so might wash the whole car today, or I might just do the inside today and then the outside tomorrow, but we'll see. Not gonna be too exciting of a day. Just gonna wash the car. Mikkel's gonna do the laundry because we have a lot of laundry, and well, show you guys basically what we're gonna do. Hopefully we'll be done in a couple hours. So yep, this is the inside of the car. Pretty messy. Just gonna attempt to wash everything real quick. Hopefully it's a success, and we'll think about the outside maybe tomorrow. There's a lot of work just to clean the inside, so yeah. I think Mikkel is starting the laundry right now. I'm gonna show you guys real quick.
Maybe two loads.
2 loads. Okay.
You check my GP cam?
Nope. This is after the vacuum. Looks cleaner. But yeah, just gonna wipe everything down a bit better, and then clean the floor mats, put them back in. Just gonna put everything back. Sunglasses I've been looking for. Gotta keep your breath fresh. And I used to install these lights, which kind of remind me of little rave lights. Changes color to the music of the to the beat of the music. And these are the gum pack we just bought as well, so just gonna leave it in the car in case our breath stinks. So yeah, we're just gonna clean the windows and the dashboard real quick. I just use this for the black dashboard and invisible glass for the windows and the glass. Keeps it pretty clean. It's pretty tiring right now because you're cleaning everything inside. So maybe tomorrow I'll wash the outside of the car.